welcome to Feel Me, I'm Izzy. Today I'm going to be taking you guys to 3 of my favorite spots in the oldest Chinatown in the US, Chinatown San Francisco. Stay with me.
Only deli?
3? Yes.
Yes.
And the chocolate cookie monster, yes. Okay, how much is that?
Thank you.
Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the pineapple bun from the Eastern Bakery. Man, these pineapple buns are so delicious. I never been to Hawaii, but I would imagine this is how the air in Hawaii tastes. They're super soft and yolky and oh my god, they just make me so happy. If you guys stop here, they don't take credit cards, so make sure you bring some cash. Hey guys, so the next stop is the Golden Gate Bakery. I heard so many good things about this place. I really heard good things about their egg custard. I never had one before, so it's gonna be my first time trying it. I'm super excited. I read the reviews and they're amazing. There's already a line here, so that's a good sign, right? So I just left one of the most famous spots here in Chinatown. It's called the Golden Gate Bakery, and they serve these little tarts. They call the egg tarts, and apparently they're delicious. I never had one yet. This is gonna be my first time, but I kid you not. The bakery opens at noon, and the line, we got there like around 11:45, and the line was already like really long. People like come here just for this egg tart. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one now. There is a limit on how many you can purchase, and just like most of the little shops here, it's cash only. I went ahead and like bought 12 because you can buy up to 12 tarts. And the guy in front of me, I asked him if he recommended anything else, and he said no. Just get the 12 tarts and go. Hot. It was so good. Okay. So I was going back and forth whether I should get only 6 or get the 12 tarts. And when I got there and I ended up getting the 12 tarts, the guy in front of me looked at me. He was like, "Good choice." Good decision. And I'm glad I did because they're so delicious. Hey guys, so our next stop is a Great Eastern restaurant. It is known for their dim sum. Even Barack Obama stopped by here, and we're gonna be having lunch here, and I'm gonna be telling you guys how it tastes. So we just got here so far. Everything seems so chill. We're just putting our order. I ordered some shrimp dim sum, and I ordered some shrimp and vegetable dumplings. And we also ordered some steamed buns, pork buns, I think. Not for me, obviously, because I don't eat meat, but I'm super excited. I heard so many good things about this place. And I mean, even President Barack Obama stopped by, so you cannot be wrong, right? So good. It's like nothing but fish and herbs. You see all the green? Oh. This is definitely dessert. fun. I went to a couple of different places that they stole my heart. The first one was Eastern Bakery. They had the best pineapple buns. If you stop by there, make sure you grab at least 5 because one is not gonna be enough. The next stop we stopped by was the Golden Gate Bakery, and they are known for their egg tart. I grabbed a dozen. That is the max you can purchase a day, and I ate one. It was fantastic. I have a feeling they're gonna taste better later when they're cold, when all the flavors have settled in. I highly recommend you try this place. You're gonna see a big line there, and it is for a reason, and it is for their egg tarts. The next spot we tried out was the Great Eastern Restaurant, and they are known for dim sum, and dim sum is kind of like a type of cuisine, type of dumpling. And we tried the vegetable shrimp and the shrimp one, and we also tried the steamed fish balls. All delicious. My favorite was the shrimp and vegetable. It was like more vegetable than shrimp. It was fantastic. So much flavor. You don't even need sauce. I'm not lying, guys. It's fantastic. If you're ever in the San Francisco area, you gotta try these 3 spots. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe because the next Feed Me I'm Izzy is gonna be even better.